You know those nights when the Chinese food craving hits. It is all you can think about. Within minutes, you've thrown your healthy eating habits out the window and you've caved into that deep fried goodness. But what if you could have it both ways? A healthier version of your favorite takeout dish that you can easily make at home? Well, my friends, you can, and I'm about to show you exactly how. Hey there, I'm London Brazil, and you're watching Evolving Table, where we make good food that's also good for you. And today that's in the form of this General Tso's chicken. With its crispy coating and a sweet and tangy sauce that you can easily make from scratch. So let's jump straight in and start cooking it up. You'll first want to start by preparing the chicken. I'm going to be using 1.5 pounds of boneless and skinless chicken thighs. They have incredible flavor thanks to the extra fat. You can also use chicken breast if you want to keep it leaner. Trim and remove any excess fat from the thighs, and then cut into bite-sized pieces, or about 1 inch. In a large bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. The mix of cornstarch and flour creates a coating that will easily stick to the chicken while also getting super crispy when we fry it up. Add the chicken pieces to the bowl and toss until they are completely coated. Place a large stainless steel skillet or wok over medium to medium-high heat and drizzle in 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. It's very important to use a high smoke point oil so it doesn't burn. Wait for the oil to sizzle and then add in half of the coated chicken pieces. Cook for 7 to 8 minutes, flipping the chicken every 2 to 3 minutes. You want to make sure and cook the chicken until it is a nice golden brown so it is sure to be extra crispy. Remove the cooked chicken and let it drain on a paper towel lined plate. And then repeat this process with 2 more tablespoons of oil and the remaining chicken pieces. While the second batch of chicken finishes up cooking, we'll start on that General Tso's sauce. While you can buy the store-bought bottle, it's much healthier if you make it at home. Plus, you can adjust how much spiciness or sweetness you want to add to it. To make the sauce, you'll want to grab a medium-sized bowl and add 1/3 cup of soy sauce or a gluten-free tamari sauce. Reduced sodium can also be used. 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce. And yes, they even make a gluten-free version now too. Half a cup of water. 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Honey or coconut sugar can be used for a refined sugar-free alternative. 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. 1 to 2 teaspoons of sriracha sauce, depending on your desired spice level. 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, and 3 cloves of crushed garlic. Whisk the ingredients until well combined. After the second batch of chicken is removed from the skillet, pour in the sauce and bring it to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium and cook for 2 to 3 minutes, whisking occasionally. The sauce should reduce by almost half during this time. Once it is cooked down, add back in the chicken and continue cooking over medium-low heat for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the chicken is heated through. Serve General Tso's chicken over a bed of white rice with green onions and some toasted sesame seeds. Oh yeah, look at all that crispy chicken, that delicious sauce, guys. I cannot wait to dig in. But before I start chowing down, if you want a few more restaurant quality recipes, make sure you check out these other healthy main dishes. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.